I finally tore down the Lancer motor, and this is the carnage. All the pistons actually, bore-wise, look good. Block's trashed. That's the only piston that's still attached, cylinder 1. Everything got exploded. You think this is bad? Wait till I'm about to show you. This is what everything looks like on the inside. Both pistons were destroyed, completely sheared. That was the number 4 connecting rod with its cap. That's a cap, or was. That was a cap in the bottom section of a rod. That was a cap. That was a cap. And this was a cap. So what happens when it goes boom at high RPM? Everything gets scattered everywhere. Snap rings for your wrist pins, oil squirters. The only thing that's surprising though, the head's still good. Did smack the valves in cylinder 3 and cylinder 4, so I'm going to do a water test and see if it seals. And if everything passes on it, it's a $1,100 head. If not, if it is messed up in this condition, it's still $600. Cams are good. Surprisingly, everything on the top end is good. Bottom is completely thrashed. But that's the Lancer. All that shit's for sale. Turbo, intake manifold, exhaust manifold, wiring harness, uncut or unmodified, is completely stock. All this is available. Except for that. That's going scrap.